County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Lansdale, Percy, Doylestown, Souderton, Bedminster, Chalfont, Tinicum, Hatfield, Dublin, Fricks, Gardensville, and Pipersville. This includes northeast extension between mile markers 27 and 36. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.